Let me be honest with you. The biggest mistake young people make with money is not being broke. It's something much more dangerous. It's thinking you have time. When you're young, it feels like life is long. So you tell yourself, I'll start saving later. I'll invest when I earn more. I'll figure it out someday. But that someday keeps getting pushed further and further away. And before you realize it, you've already lost years. Imagine this. Two people start their financial journey. One starts saving a small amount at 20. The other waits until 30. The first person isn't richer. They just started earlier. And because of time, their money grows more. Not because they're smarter, not because they earn more, but because they didn't wait. And honestly, it's not your fault. No one really teaches us about money. We're taught how to pass exams, but not how to manage income. So we spend, we enjoy, we delay responsibility. Because no one told us that time is the most valuable asset we have. So what can you do? Start small. You don't need a big salary. You don't need to be perfect. Just start. Save a little. Learn a little. Invest a little. Because the goal isn't to be rich overnight. The goal is to build the habit early. So don't wait for the perfect time. Because the truth is, the perfect time was yesterday. The next best time? Today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthOrbit for more content about money, mindset, and success.